Okay, now let's invite Charles again to share his vision for Save Club and his closing message. Charles, please go ahead.
Creating the opportunity for the world's top leaders is one of our top missions. I am so happy to see so many top leaders have faith in the company and have gone to produce enrollments and recruit other top leadership. Your commitment to Save Club and the actions that you have already taken mean very much to myself and the Save Club team. We are committed to bringing all of the resources to help you grow. I am very much looking forward to working with your leadership very closely and providing you with the deals, the tools, and the education to grow your marketplace. I am asking you for any relationships to brands in your area. If you have relationships with brands that would like to work with Save Club, we can work on corporate partnerships to bring the best deals to your market. I'm working with the global brands and brands in the United States to bring you the best deals. However, if there are local entrepreneurs, local businessmen that want to be involved to provide deals, we can create corporate partnerships at Save Club. We're very committed to the Japan market and honor all of your dedication thus far. My commitment over the next 1 year, 2 year, 3 year is to bring as much resources so that you can all succeed and create the type of income to reach your dreams.
Charles and Kelly, for your powerful, helpful, and inspiring closing messages. This has been a truly wonderful meeting, and we are very grateful for your time and guidance today. We are very excited about the future of Save Club, and we look forward to growing together as one team, as you say.